how to view your limits on Cash App. If you would like to view your limits on Cash App, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is, first of all, Cash App account has not everything unlocked fully by default. You have to do a couple of steps and verify a couple of stuff in order to go ahead and then basically increase those limits. But you can view your current account limit by just opening Cash App, tapping the profile icon from the top right hand side, and you will see this interface. And right here you'll find the option that says limits. So you just want to tap the limits option, and here you can see my current limits. So currently, because my account is not verified, I can only basically send $1,000 per month and $1,500 total. Then basically I can receive up to $1,000 per month, and same for $1,500 total as well. Then my cash balance, I can only have up to $1,000. But if I want to access the higher limits, then of course I can just tap on the verify identity option, follow a couple of steps like uploading my documents and so on. Then once my account is verified, I will be able to unlock all of these limits. This way I should be able to go ahead and then view my current limits. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.